CDF graph can be used to find different probabilities in a range or at a point. So these are the formulas for obtaining the probabilities in a range or probability at a point when CDF graph is given. So first one is probability A less than X less than or equal to B. So for that the formula is Fx, that is CDF at B plus. B plus is just ahead of B minus Fx A plus. A plus is just ahead of A. So these are the CDF value. This is the CDF value at B plus. This is CDF value at A plus. So this formula you have to remember, and using this formula you can formulate other formulas. So in this what you have to remember, if it is less than at the upper end, if it is less than or equal to sign, then you have to use plus, and at the lower end it is only less than, then you have to use plus. If instead of this there is something different, then you have to use minus. So let us see how we can formulate other formulas with this formula. So here probability A less than or equal to X less than B. So here it is not less than, so it is less than or equal to, that's why it is A minus. Now it is here it is less than only, but we need less than or equal to for plus, but it is less than, so it is B minus. So the formula is CDF at B minus minus CDF at A minus. Next, probability A less than X less than B. So here we want less than or equal to, but it is less than, that's why B minus. Here we want less than only, so it is A plus. Next, probability A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. So here less than or equal to, that's why it is B plus, but it should be less than only, but it is less than or equal to, that's why it is A minus. So the standard one formula you have to remember is this one. If it is less than or equal to at upper end, then it is plus. If it is less than at lower end, then it is plus, and you have to subtract from upper end to lower end. If you get another things, like if it is less than or equal to, it is less than, then you have to write minus, so that is B minus. Now if we can use CDF graph also to find the probability at a point. So if probability at X equal to A is CDF at A plus is just just ahead of A, then minus Fx A minus is just behind A value. So probability at X equal to A, that is probability at a point, is equal to 0 if there is no jump at X equal to A in CDF graph, and it is equal to it is not equal to 0 if there is jump at X equal to A in CDF graph. So in you know that in CDF there could be constant values, or there could be a jump. So if it is a jump, then you will get the probability at that point. If there is no jump, then you will not get the probability at that point. So the CDF graph we can use to find the probabilities in a range as well as at a point.